it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Fka Twigs from Mary Magdalene from this Instagram post, and let's right get into it. I primed my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. With how I got the Silk Brow look is that I used some hair gel. From the Cara Beauty palette, I used a red shade. It's in ES02. I lined the red shade along my crease line up to my brow bone with a angled brush, put on some more with a pencil brush, and then blended upward with a mini blending brush. I made an inverted wing parallel to my tear duct. I put on some duct tape to prepare for my eyeliner, starting off with a black eyeshadow. I made a basic winged eyeliner, and then I finished it off with a Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in grease to make a cat eye. The black eyeshadow came from the same palette, the Cara Beauty in ES02. I touched up the inverted winged eyeliner with a Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in grease. For my entire lower lash line, I used the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in Space Panda. I used 2 coats of Space Panda to define my inverted upside down cat eye winged eyeliner. After that, I just used a Q-tip, water / makeup remover to touch up my eyeliner and eyeshadow in order for it to be even on both eyes. I went back to Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease to line under Space Panda, so it'll be a triple winged eyeliner or cat eye winged eyeliner. I used the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Cherry Bomb to the outer half of my winged eyeliner on my upper section of my eye, and then the same steps except for the lower inner half of my eye and stopping at the center. For lash glue, I used the dual lash glue to prepare for my rhinestones on my crease and at the outer half of my eyes, and also in the middle of where the under eye of the red eyeliner stops, at the middle. As well as for my black rhinestones, I'll be putting them at the edge of the white eyeliner at the upper section of my eye, and also for the lower lash line at the outer corner at least. This is the best I can do when explaining the placements of the rhinestones for this makeup tutorial. So if you don't understand, I'm so sorry. For foundation, I used the ColourPop Cosmetics Hydraulic Tinted Foundation in 6W Light. I covered my imperfections with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Natural. I contoured my entire face and nose with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. For blush, I used the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bali. I used the same contour shade to make some freckles all over my face with just the nose, cheeks, and a little bit on the forehead, and I blended out with my beauty blender or my fingers. I almost forgot to contour my nose in the video, so I did and touch up on some freckles there. For lip gloss, I used the Lano Lip Treatment in Lemonade. I also used the e.l.f. Putty Blush in Bali on my lips. For false lashes, I used the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 422 along with my dual lash glue. And this concludes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!